Look at that, guys. What a time capsule. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So after fixing all of the issues that we had with the car, it's time to do something about the interior. And I have a friend who has a detailing shop, so he offered me help with cleaning all the interior. So let's do that. And surprisingly, there are almost no holes. Here's one, and there is something. That is it. The carpet is in a worse condition, but I will fix it somehow. This is the bed material. I think this is poo. So something was living in that car. This is the first time that I see the interior without the other stuff, and it's not that bad. There are a couple of holes, but nothing major. Okay, so there is one hole. I don't know what's... Doesn't sound that bad actually. So here is one hole. Hello. I can see light over here. So this is the sound dampening, and there might be a surprise underneath, but overall it looks great. I've seen worse. Seriously, I've seen worse. So I will just clean it properly, and maybe it'll be a good time to look underneath the dashboard and try to sort out what's going on with those cables. Hello. Way better. Finally, something else. yet. They don't look perfect, but they are cleaned, so I can sit here without any problems. Okay, now we have to solve the cables. These two are for the speakers. I know that because this is the radio connector for sure, and here are these two cables. That white cable goes to this switch here. These are lights, but I think fog lights, because normal lights are here. Yeah, so I won't do anything about it. I will just hide them under the dash. These cables here, 4 cables, I have no idea, or maybe I do have an idea. Green and brown. Okay, let's see, because there are 2 cables under the hood that I didn't know what are they for. And yep, brown. I don't know if you can see that. Brown and green. So this is not connected to anything yet. I will just hide them. I am super happy how it looks. It looks like a car. There should be a carpet here, and I have it, but it was covered in poo and mice pee. It looks bad and it smells even worse, so I will leave it like that. I don't care. I also have the piece that covers the trunk, but I won't use it as well. This is not original. Maybe this part is original, but the rest, or this and this, so we don't need that. Man, it looks like a car. Oh, I'm so happy. Wow, it's nice to sit in here and don't smell mice pee anymore. Okay, about that secret place from the beginning of the video. Last week my friend told me that there is a place in Słupsk with cars from 70s, 80s and 90s, but nobody is allowed to go in there. So I found another friend who has a friend who owns that place, and after a small talk he said, yeah, okay, you can come and take whatever you want. So I did. Unfortunately, I wasn't allowed to record over there, so here is a short video of that place, just to show you how cool that place is. Look at that, guys, what a time capsule. And I came here for some parts. There's our gem hidden. I already took a lamp, and now I will try to go inside and look for some parts over there. Here are the parts that I took. There were stacks of cars, seriously stacks of cars. The sad part is that they are going to rot over there. Some of them already did. Okay, so I didn't get all of the parts from my list, but my list shortened by a lot, so I'm happy about that. I have two kinds of tail lights. I like this style more, but they were broken and they are glued, so I think I will end up putting those on the car. I will just clean them. We have rear windshield fluid container. We have pedal covers. These actually I bought. Mirror, mine was broken. Ashtray, plastic covers, knobs, license plate, lights, original horn with a bracket, the trim around the car. I also took a piece of wiring, the large wiring in one piece, so I won't have to solder mine. This is the front bumper. I actually bought it. It's not new, but it's original and it's in a very good good condition. So what now? For now we will end the interior. We have to put the door cards on, some knobs, ashtray, and a couple of plastics. So let's get to work. I'm not happy about that, but I have to put old door cards on because they are super expensive in my country. So I'd rather spend that money on something else for this car. So I will put them on for now and keep looking for replacement. Friend that gave me this car also gave me new ignition switch because the one that was here was broken.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. Just give me a...
And how do you like the changes? Holy shit! I wasn't prepared for that. I knew that it will be good, but it looks amazing in my opinion. Remember that this car is a piece of crap, but it's my piece of crap now. So the steering wheel that you saw on the video is actually not mine. I got it from my friend just to check if it fits and if I will like it, and it fits incredible. So almost all of the parts are in place now. I'm still missing a few plastics and covers, but I don't care about them. I wanted to finish all of the car today, but I'm still waiting for some parts to come. So be prepared, because next week we are going to do a reveal of that car. Thank you for today. Like, comment and subscribe, and see you next week, guys. Bye.